Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss how to change user account name in Windows 10. First of all, you should go to search bar and type control panel and click on the control panel. Then click on user account. Now you can see that my user account is Babarashi Composer. Click on that. You can see that there are different options: change account name, create password, change the account type, manage another account. So in this video we will discuss how to change the account name. So click on the change account name, then type here new account name. Now click on change name. You can see that the user account name has been changed. So if you find this video helpful, then I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that when will I upload my new video you will get notification. Thank you.